Lastly, I want to go over the workflow efficiency analysis. So I compared to our current standard at NYU where we do daily QA and pre-SRS Winston-Lutz or monthly Winston-Lutz measurements. So this was measured on 3 Lennox with direct shielded doors, photons, 4 energies, 5 electron energies, doing for dosimetry. And you can see here in our regular daily QA3 with our IGRT phantom, it takes us about 16 minutes to get through that. For daily QA4, with added SGRT, which we don't currently do, that's now 11.25 minutes. So we saved ourselves about 5 minutes just switching to this phantom. If we look at MPC just outputs, not doing geometry, that takes about 4.5 minutes. So not quite as fast as MPC, but it's also not doing nearly as much that we're doing. If we want to add a Winston-Lutz test, just a regular Winston-Lutz cube, when we add that onto our current setup with daily QA3 and IGRT, it adds another 16 minutes. It doubles the time, so now we're over half an hour. However, on daily QA4, if you add the active measurement Winston-Lutz, it only adds about 5 minutes. And you can see it's about 16 minutes, which is the same as what we're currently doing. So for the same amount of time as our current QA takes today, we can also get SGRT and also active measurement Winston-Lutz. MPC added with the geometry test brings it up to about 9 or so minutes, so it's not that far off from doing these additional tests on daily QA4. And lastly, if we want to do off-axis Winston-Lutz, this is where we would use our multi-met Winston-Lutz, and that is a little bit longer of a delivery and analysis, so that brings our total time up to about 37 minutes for our current state. But doing it with daily QA4, it adds a little bit of time, which hopefully can be dropped down using something like developer mode, but it brings it to about 23 minutes. And if you run MPC Enhanced Couch, it's about 12 minutes. But very important, MPC doesn't do any IGRT, it's completely isolated, and it doesn't do any off-axis Winston-Lutz. And only daily QA4 here is doing that SGRT.